Hello, greetings from Booneri. Today's topic is: what is the history of the First World War? Which were the countries that were involved in it? And how did the war start? Let's watch ahead. As you see in the picture, most of the countries of the world were involved in this war. The countries marked in green formed one group, while the countries marked in orange were their opponents. How did this begin? The Archduke of Austria-Hungary was a person named Franz Ferdinand. What happened to him? On June 28, 1914, when Franz Ferdinand was along with his wife, a person from Serbia who was a nationalist shot them both to death. The Austrians retaliated and gave an ultimatum to Serbia and told that if it was unaccepted, this would result in war. But the Serbians had support from Russia. Hence, in order to strengthen themselves, even they seeked support from Germany. And thus, after a month, on July 28, 1914, war was declared. Slowly, many countries got involved in the war as they had made allies with the nations fighting in the war. After a year, in 1915, a ship sailing from United States to UK was sunk, which had many US passengers. This was caused by German intervention. This caused USA to join in the war too. What were the effects of this deadly war? Watch ahead. The First World War took the lives of more than 9 million soldiers. It also left many of them wounded, whose number summed up to 21 million. Civilian casualties numbered close to 10 million. The two nations that were most affected were France and Germany, each of which had sent some 80% of their male population to fight in the war. With so many men losing their lives in the war, the result was 80% of male population no longer existed. All had joined war. Hence, they were left with millions of women who had entered the workforce to replace men who went for war, which was unusual for women in those days to join work. It also happened that in the year 1918, one of the world's deadliest epidemic, the Spanish flu epidemic, started, which killed an estimated 20 to 50 million people. During the war, it was not just the people but also animals who were a part, around 16 million of which many lost their lives. They included horses, dogs, camels, etc., which were used for carrying food, transporting soldiers, and the arms. After years and years of 4 years battle, the war finally ended on 11th November 1918 when Germany signed an armistice. Do you know what was India's role in the war? Let's take a look. During the First World War, India was under the British rulership. Britain had promised India of self-rule if they extended their support to them in the war. With freedom in mind, more than 13 lakh Indian soldiers served during the First World War, fighting for the Britishers. From among them, more than 70,000 Indian soldiers lost their lives. In memorial of those soldiers is the famous monument which has the names of many of those soldiers inscribed on it. This monument, India Gate, is situated in Delhi. Today, the World War I is a very interesting topic from history, but in reality, when we think about it, it gives us chills thinking about the devastation it caused.